All right, so great job today. The last thing that I want to make sure that you do is I want to make sure that you guys go ahead and get a chance to go ahead and do a short standardized reading passage. Now, here's the thing. I know what joy that brings you in your heart. I also know that, well, a couple things. Number one, looking at your recent map scores, some of you didn't take it that seriously, so we need to get a good baseline of where your reading is. And for the rest of you who did try hard, now's a really good time to go ahead and see, since the beginning of September, now we're in November, what kind of growth we've had. So here's a chance for you to show us, here are the skills I've already gained. So I promise this is short. It's only 18 questions, which means there's only 2 passages. You read one thing, you answer 9 questions. You read another thing, you answer 9 questions, and then you're done. So here's where this is going to live. I'm going to go ahead and pause so you can open this up. It's right in quarter 2. It's called BRMS LCPS Reading 8 Virginia SGA blah, 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 blah. Go ahead and open that up now. I'll pause. When you open it up, your screen will look like this. Go ahead and click Start. And just like on the SOL, you've got options to go ahead and flag questions you're not sure about, highlight things, clear highlights, and get rid of choices. So, to kind of give you an idea of what this looks like, if you take a look at your first question, so you've got saved by a water bomb, you're looking at 10 paragraphs, so 12 paragraphs in the passage. You've got a question here, you've got tools up here, right? So you can go click on your tools. Maybe I want to use a highlighter, maybe I want to highlight something in the passage, or I want to highlight something in the question, or even an answer choice. You could do that. Of course, you can use your highlighter to clear highlights as well. You also have an answer eliminator, so if you want to go and you're like, well, I don't think it's hostility, I don't think it's boredom, you can kind of cross those out to help you think about it. And of course, you do have audio components here, so just remember, if you want to use those, you do need to go ahead and plug in, like now, to make sure that you're listening to it. Of course, when you get to the last question, you might notice that on the last question, you cannot click Next. So what you'll have to do is up at the top, it says Submit. You'll go ahead and click Submit, and you're done. So, do your best. Don't take way too much time on this. This really shouldn't take anybody more than 25 minutes, but a thorough, hard effort on your part is appreciated, and I know you can do it. So, give it a go.